guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the Ipsy bag that arrived in the mail just today. So here we have the bag that I obviously love. It's Galaxy and it's really nice and the texture feels really nice. And yeah, let's get to look inside of it. And on the inside it looks really nice. It's really glossy. I don't know, I usually use this for like pencils. So this is what I got in the Ipsy bag. I got a Keratin Brazilian Novax, which is useful for, I was researching, it was useful for your hair. It's really good. I heard great reviews on it, but I haven't really tried it, because obviously I just got it today. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying this. So right here, we got a liquid gossamer, I think that's how I say it. Yeah, it's a tan, and I really don't use tanners because I'm already dark skinned, but I'd love to try it though. I got this Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. I already had it before and I really love it. I love the texture of the little brush for your eyelashes. It's really useful and it gets every little single hair in there. Also, we got in the glam bag, we got this how do you say it? The Tres Ticket, which is like lipstick, and it's a really nice color, great for like special occasions or anything. And take a look at the great color. You can't really see it, but it's not red, but it's not light red. You get me? It's nice. And here we got a ISPR. It's an eyeshadow. It's kind of like a brownish, like champagne color. It's really nice for like special occasions, how I was mentioning earlier. And oh, there you go, it's the Carnival eyeshadow. You can find it in the description below. And yeah, that's what I got in the Ipsy bag.